back again with another episode of our sausage seasoning series. And this time we're making a classic British bangers seasoning that brings that authentic flavor right into your kitchen, so now you can make your own sausages at home. For the full recipe, check the description below. Let's build that classic flavor, starting with 1 tablespoon of dried sage and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme for that signature herby base. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper, together with half a teaspoon of ground black pepper to bring in that gentle, balanced heat. Next, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of nutmeg for a subtle warmth in the background. Follow that with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder to deepen the savory notes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt to bring everything together. And finally, mix in half a teaspoon of sugar to lightly round out the flavor. Once everything is in, mix it well until the spices are evenly blended and nicely combined. If you're enjoying this sausage series, give this video a like, share it with someone who loves homemade cooking, and subscribe to SpiceRally. And hit that bell so you don't miss the next easy recipe coming up. And just like that, your British bangers seasoning is ready to use. This makes about 3 tablespoons, perfect for mixing into 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground pork. Just combine it evenly with chilled meat and mix until fully incorporated for the best texture and flavor. If you have any extra, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place where it will stay fresh and aromatic for up to 6 months. Now you've got a classic in your hands, try it out and see how close you can get to that traditional flavor at home. And when you do, tell us how you used it. Thank you, and see you soon again with another flavorful recipe.